Hello everyone, this is Celine from Rotake China. Welcome to our live show. This is my partner Jerry.
Hello everyone, I'm Jerry from the sales department of Rotake Group.
And so, iron die grinder is a kind of air tool which can be widely used for surface treatment of different industries, such as ironworking, woodworking, tiring industry, and so on.
Yeah. Okay, we have prepared two kinds of material level for you guys. Both are professional quality and also just different materials. Here is the aluminum body and this one is composite body. Okay, let's get started to RT1205 and RT1206 exactly.
Yes.
These two models are very classical and popular model in the market. It has a very stable quality but also very competitive price. Like this one, RT1205, the speed can up to 25,000 RPM. And this bigger one, the speed will reach to 22,000 RPM. So all in all, these two models is a high speed but a small size, high output power, also no noisy tools.
Yes, that's really nice. So secondly, I would like to introduce our kit of air die grinder for you. As you can see, this is our kit. The set includes one piece of air die grinder and 5 pieces of 1/4 inch mounted grinding stone and 5 pieces of 1/8 inches mounted grinding stone, 1 extra collet, 2 pieces of wrench, and also one more plug is also included. Yes.
What is the advantage of this?
Yeah, actually the kit can help our customer to use the machine immediately. No need to search for extra accessories.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Next, let's take a look to this one. It's RT1210P. It's an extended air die grinder. Here, we can see a 5-inch extension here.
Yes.
So this can go inside deep space for grinding. And also here we can see it's a real exhaust with some holes here. And also here will come with a safety trigger to avoid accident.
Yes, that sounds really nice. Yeah, so next let's take a look to RT1207P. It's a professional level products. It's a 19-degree designed die grinder. It's suitable for narrow space as well. And it's rear exhaust with a hose, as you can see right here. It comes with a safety trigger to avoid accident. And it's quite light. It's lightweight and easy to operate.
Okay. Finally, let's come to this luxury model we need to handle is RT1108 and RT1109. We can see why this is a luxury model because it's composite body, brings a very lightweight.
Yes.
Also, these two models were with the best quality and also competitive price in this level.
Yes.
It's very suitable for our European market.
Yes.
And also here we can see safety trigger here.
Yes.
And the ergonomic design for this machine will make it very comfortable to grip. Yes, like this. It's very comfortable. We can see that. So RT1109 is also we can see an angle collet here. So that is perfect for some limited space. That's it.
Yes, well, so we have so many different kind of air die grinder for you, different material, different shape, and different quality for different applications.
Yeah, exactly. So you can choose anything you need from Rotake.
Yes.